Rain coming down on the Beech Grove Road, cold wind cutting through my ragged coat. We were just a few boys holding that past, didn't know the Yankees be coming that fast. Heard a crack like lightning rolling down the ridge, Spencer rifles talking like a busted bridge, 7 shots singing where one used to be, and the gap fell open like it wasn't meant for me. And we ran, boys ran through the timber and the slack, the smoke in our lungs and the blue coats at our back. War trace calling like a whistle on the track, Lord, we lost that day at Hoover's Gap. General Stewart rode and shouting, hold that line, but the ridge was burning like a brush fire pine. We fired what we had, but the rain came down and the lightning brigade pushed us clean out of town. Left some brothers sleeping by the old churchyard, names carved crooked on a pine wood shard. Beech Grove keeps them where the wild grass grows and the wind still hums through their Sunday clothes. And we ran, boys ran through the timber and the slack, smoke in our lungs and the blue coats at our back. War trace calling like a whistle on the track, Lord, we lost that day at Hoover's Gap. No glory in a fight when the odds ain't fair, just blood on your knees in the cold night air. But I'll tell it straight and I'll tell it true, we stood our ground till the line broke through. And we ran, boys ran through the timber and the slack, smoke in our lungs and the blue coats at our back. War trace calling like a whistle on the track, Lord, we lost that day